Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'll be showing you how to request an instant payout on your Amazon Seller app. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Let's jump right into it. So we'll start by opening up the Amazon Seller app, and there's a couple ways we can get to this. The easiest way is at the very top, you see where it says sales so far, units so far, and then current. It actually says current balance. Basically, just put your finger right up top and you can kind of scroll these over to the right, and you can see other stuff like seller feedback, customer feedback, and the next payment. So according to this, my next payment is June 11th, 2024, but that's too far away. Who wants to wait? I know I don't want to wait. So I'm going to click on where it says current balance, 442 current balance. So I'm going to click on that and then it opens it right up and it says funds available now, 442.48, transfer of 442.48 scheduled to initiate on June 11th. And then it says transfers can take 3 to 5 days to complete and actual transfer amount is subject to change. If you want to scroll down a little bit, you can see where these numbers kind of come from. It's got the product charges, the shipping, promo rebates, FBA fees, and then Amazon fees. And then we get the lovely 442.48. And all I have to do is click this little orange button at the very bottom of my screen that says pay me. And it will initiate a bank transfer and it'll take 3 to 5 days. So instead of waiting for June 11th, it'll start the transfer now and then it'll get that money rolling, so it'll head to my account sooner. So I don't think this option is available for everybody. If you do have this option, maybe it's because you have an older account or you're in good standing or whatnot. But this is what my account looks like, and I just click the pay me and then the money will pop up in my account. So that's one way to get to it, is you can go over to the current balance. Another way to get to it is you click the 3 little lines up here, click the 3 little lines, and it opens up a new little menu here. And then we go down to payments. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top, and we'll click payments. And then, hey, it brings us back to the same screen. The same result at the very bottom, it just says pay me. So all you do is click that button and then the money is on its way to you. That's going to be about it for today. If you found this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.